Welcome to ChatGenie. Easily set up your ChatGenie account within minutes. To create your ChatGenie in-app store, go to chatgenie.ph/login/client to log in and click on Sign in with Facebook. Choose the Facebook account you'd like to connect with ChatGenie. Make sure you're logged in on Facebook with the account you're using for your business. Click Next. Select the Facebook page you wish to set up with ChatGenie. Click Done. Once logged in, head to the upper right corner of the page and click on the Create in-app store button. Choose a bundle. Select the e-commerce B2C bundle if you're a merchant ready to upload and manage your product offerings directly. Or if you already have a Shopify website, you can connect that and sync the products by selecting the Shopify bundle. After selecting a bundle, pick a subscription plan. Click Select. Click Next. Connect your chosen Facebook page to your in-app store. Fill in the store name, greeting, welcome message, referral code, email notifications, support email recipients, and support contact number as needed. Once completed, you'll be redirected to the overview page where you'll find the to-do list guiding you through setting up your store step by step. Step 1. Upload your first product. To upload your first product, click on the Upload Product button. Provide product details such as image, product type, name, and description. Input the base price. Limit product quantity if needed and specify stock quantity. Add product measurements. To create a product category, click the Create Product Category button below the product category row. Customize with an image, title, and description. Once done, click Add. Select the relevant product category. Include product variances such as colors, sizes, and others by clicking Product Variants. Type option names and option values. Please note that limited variants must exceed sold and cart counts to avoid being marked as sold out. For location-specific availability, use the Product Location Availability button and select the available areas. Optionally, you can add product promos by clicking the Product Promo button. Set up discount type, absolute or percentage, and preferred payment options. Click Submit to successfully upload your product. Nice work! You successfully uploaded your first product. For a guide on uploading bulk products via CSV file, watch this tutorial. Step 2. Go live with your in-app store. To launch your in-app store, click the Go Live Now button. Agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, then click Launch. Congratulations! Your in-app store is now live. Customers can seamlessly access your catalog and start shopping. Enable more shipping options. To enable more shipping options, click the Expand Delivery Choices button. Click on your preferred delivery partner. Please note that you can check the shipping rates by clicking the View Shipping Rate button. Fill in the contact and address information. Select a merchant category. Provide the name of the contact person and contact number of the person responsible for handing over the order to the rider. Fill in the address information. Enter pickup location. You can adjust the PIN to match your location correctly. Once done, click the Update Map PIN button. For Ninja Van, you can select your preferred pickup time slot and input remarks if there are any. Click Submit. Congratulations! Your diverse shipping options are now ready for use. Customers can effortlessly choose their preferred shipping courier during the checkout process. Step 4. Set up your call to action button. To set up your call to action button, click the Copy Link to In-App Store button. Once the link is copied, the next step is to set your CTA button on your Facebook page. To set up your Facebook CTA link and button, proceed. On your Facebook page, locate and click the blue Edit button or select Add a button if you have not configured it yet. Select an action button. Paste the link copied from your ChatGenie referral link, adding HTTPS at the beginning of the link. Then click Save. Congratulations! You have successfully configured your CTA button. As a result, when your customers click the button, they will be seamlessly redirected to your in-app store. Additionally, you now have the capability to track the number of clicks and orders generated by your referral link. Step 5. Announce your Messenger store launch. To announce your Messenger store launch, simply click the Create Launch Post button. Customize your store launch caption and then click Share. Excellent job! You've effectively shared the news of your store launch. Your customers can now begin their shopping journey on your Messenger in-app store. Sample customer journey ordering process. Click on the Get Started and Shop Now button. Select a product. Click Add to Cart. Click on View Cart. Select the Go to Checkout button. Fill up the customer information sheet and click Continue. Select Preferred Shipping Method and tap Continue. Next, select the chosen payment option and click Continue. Check the delivery information and click Proceed. Once done, you'll receive the order confirmation via Messenger. Confirming orders via ChatGenie dashboard. To start confirming orders, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Orders button and select Order Tracker. Within the Pending Orders tab, you will find incoming orders awaiting confirmation. To proceed, simply click the Confirm Order button associated with the respective order. Once you confirm the order, a rider will be booked automatically to pick up the order. Once the order has been confirmed, it will be transferred to the For Delivery tab and Completed section. Please note that this process is applicable for PandaGo and Grab Express couriers only. Ninja Van requires additional steps to arrange customer orders. For Ninja Van orders, follow these simple steps. To initiate order confirmation, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Orders button and select Order Tracker. Within the Pending Orders tab, you will find incoming orders awaiting confirmation. To proceed, simply click the Confirm Order button associated with the respective order. Once the order has been confirmed, it will be transferred to the For Delivery tab. Within this section, you will find each order listed, accompanied by a Print Waybill button. Click on this button to initiate the download of the corresponding waybill. Following the confirmation of the order and downloading the waybill, proceed to print the waybill. Prepare the customer's order. Once the preparation is complete, affix the printed waybill securely to the package. This ensures proper documentation and smooth handling during the delivery process. Wait for the designated rider to pick up the order during the preferred delivery time you have selected on the dashboard. Please note that you will receive email notifications regarding the pickup, sorting, and delivery of your customer's order. Your customers can effortlessly track the status of their orders through Messenger, as they will automatically receive timely order notifications. After the order is picked up, the customer can anticipate receiving the package within 2 to 7 days, with the delivery time varying based on their location. For any inquiries or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by visiting our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.